Today, a new green energy hero will be born. Laus Group of companies transferred two of their buildings, Carworld Pampanga and Corporate Guarantee Insurance, into green energy buildings with PHILERGY. And today we're here at the switch-on ceremony, and we are very honored to be the partner of Laus Group of companies to foster sustainability in the Philippines.
As we live in these highly challenging times of climate uncertainty, we at the Laus Group of companies choose to support environmental sustainability and aspire to switch to renewable energy in areas possible. I am proud to officially announce that Carworld, incorporated here in San Fernando, Pampanga, and Corporate Guarantee are now powered by solar energy.
This switch to solar power is not just a technological upgrade. It's a testament to our dedication to environmental stewardship and a more sustainable and resilient future. So to ensure that the workmanship and quality of components of this solar power system meet the strict quality standards of the Laus Group, we have partnered with no less than PHILERGY German Solar, the nationwide most trusted and highest rated supplier of solar systems in the Philippines.
I would like to propose a toast first to the team that made this project possible. And of course, this is one of our dreams, the Laus Group, to go green. So to future projects, cheers!
Cheers, everybody!